下雨了，下雨了！妈的，没有感觉这么冷。这个铁大是热的，你好等着，过来。好吃了呗？下雨了，下雨了，进去吧，这玩意儿比谁都贵，没事。咖啡吧，咖啡吧。
These are different cameramen. Hi, bye bye. So they take some pictures from here and then they move to the other place to take some more pictures. It's a beautiful scenery here. You can look, and it is the night and the raining, the first raining. The first raining since 2 days. For last 2 days there is raining here in AliTvDalian, and it is expected by tomorrow it will be ended. This is the evening, but still it is the first raining. We finished a party for the teachers just now, and now I am outside of the international office and enjoying the raining, but it is the fast raining and with the wind. So these are some live updates from Dalian Polytechnic University, that the people here feel so fear of the rain and the fast wind, and it is forecast by meteorological department of Liaoning province that after this rainfall the temperature may decrease by less than 10 degrees centigrade. It is a heavy rainfall. Whoa, it is so heavy rain. Wow. Everyone has an umbrella to protect him or her from this fast and heavy rainfall. You can see the students are coming with umbrellas. Oh, this is so heavy rain.